Life brings many changes, and self-storage can be a real lifesaver during these times. Let's talk about 3 key transitions where self-storage makes a big difference. First, moving. Whether it's across town or across the country, moving is a big task. Self-storage gives you the flexibility to store your belongings safely until you're ready to settle in. Second, downsizing. When you're moving to a smaller space, it's tough to decide what to keep. Self-storage allows you to hold on to those items you're not ready to part with just yet. And third, handling estate settlements. This can be an emotional and overwhelming time. Having a secure place to store cherished items while you sort through everything can make the process a bit easier. Arcos Self-Storage understands these life transitions and is here to help. With clean, safe, and secure storage options, you can focus on what matters most. Visit www.arcostorage.com for clean, safe, and secure storage options.